Hey, it's Bob. You probably didn't know, but for the last couple of years I've designed a few hundred presets for minimal audio current. Today I just wanted to show you a couple of recent ones I've made for their latest bank, which is called Hardwire Techno. So this one is kind of dub techno-ish granular pad. We can change the character by moving the playhead of the granular module. So this one is a bit more aggressive. This one is called Rage Mosquito, and it really sounds like the title. Okay, going deeper. This one is again a sequence based on filters and resonances. You can add even more resonances to create that kind of alien melody. And for the last one I have dub techno kind of sequence. There are many more presets in the pack. It's 55 presets made by different sound designers. So yeah, check it out and let me know in the comments what you think. See you soon.